What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're taking a look at Arcblock this morning. Appreciate all the channel support, all of these new and current subscribers. Guys, we're getting a pretty good market sell-off here, although Arcblock holding up quite well. We're going to talk about that. We're going to be over to Bitcoin down 5.32%, 3,700 bucks. We're going to talk about some support levels below the market. We're going to talk about support and resistance for Arcblock. So ticker symbol ABTUSD. It's Tuesday, the 2nd of April. Guys, getting a decent sell-off here. So let's talk about levels to watch for this Tuesday. Try to keep everybody here with some realistic expectations. We'll see how far these markets go. Real quick, U.S. stocks look ready to roll over. We'll see if anything gains momentum, but for what it's worth, looks like we might get a pretty broad sell-off here. Potentially, it's already started here. So, anyways, we have Arcblock, ABTUSDT tether. We have a higher high that took place here on the 21st of March. We have a higher low that took place on the 24th of March. Another swing up here, another higher high came in on the 28th, and we're getting a pullback today right at, take a look here at the $1.63,800 level. This white line on the chart is a support level of mine. It's been on the chart for a while, so if you see older videos, it should be there. That's how these levels work, guys. Ones below the market on the chart act as support for a period of time. That period of time could be very short. That period of time could act as a level, for this example, the bottom for, many months. Right now, it's in play. So our low was 164,920, and I'm at 163,800. So just above it. But we're getting a pushback, which was what you want to see. So we'll see how long it holds. So far, so good. Who knows? Depends how hard they hit Bitcoin today. So far, they're hitting it pretty well. So this is not a lower low yet, which is good. It's still a higher low. So our change in trend so far is still intact, although it's really, really getting stressed right now. If we draw on the chart here, so we have the move higher, we have a higher low, we have a higher high. So far, this is still a higher low. When does it break and become a lower low? Well, that would be when we break below the low over here on the 24th of March, which was a Sunday. If we start taking out that low, it looks like it was $1.57. That is not good. Next in line is you want to see a close above that. So we might undercut that low and then close strong. That's better. It's still not good, but it's better than if we get a close below. We take the low out and we get a close below that. It's not too far away. To put that on a purse, give you an example of what that would look like. Basically down 7 to 8%. So not too much further. It's very possible right now we're down 3.51% for Arcblock. So today's takeaways is so far $1.63,800. Be cool to see that act as support. Although if they keep hitting Bitcoin, I don't see it holding. Next in line is the lows from the 24th of March. Once again, those are, looks like it's $1.57.2. Keep that on your list. And then if we continue lower, guys, next level of potential support, $1.49,800. That's this yellow line on the chart. And that's going to put the price down. Let's see here. You're looking at about 11 to 12% move lower. And that's going to bring you back into this. I mean, there was a lot of support at this level during this consolidation. 149,800. Look at all these candle wicks here. The 6th of March, the 9th of March, the 15th and 16th of March, the 19th of March, the 20th. You get the point. There's a lot of support area support at this area. It's an important area, $1.49,800. If we take out the lows of the 24th, if we fail at $1.63,800, $1.49,800, keep your eye on that level. That will be a undercut, a lower low from the 24th. So we'll see. There are some pretty good cracks brewing right now. So, not a time to stick your head in the sand, especially when we get over to Bitcoin. I'll show you what's going on over there. But, there's always a chance. It's just a shakeout. But if it's not, you don't want to stick your head in the sand. You want to have realistic expectations. And if you have a lot of gains sitting on the table, the decision's up to you, but something to consider is taking something off the table, not watching them all disappear, and then, hey, potentially turning into a loss. I don't know how you invest, how you trade, what your goals and objectives are. Just, something that at least I think about. Watching a nice market gain turn into a not so nice market gain or even a loss, that's not good. So anyways, that is that. Let's say we rally from here today for Arcblock. Maybe not today, but in the near term future. The next levels, we don't have anything. We actually will fill in this blank here. We do have some targets in this area. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4 today. Depending how we close today, today will be the 5th day of distribution. We've taken away this entire right leg higher away so far. We want to see a higher high come in, which right now our highs are over here on the 28th of March at 208. And that would be something like this. That would continue the trend to the upside. It all comes down to if $1.63,800 can hold as support, because we don't have too much further lower to go before we put in a lower low. And that will, of course, it could just be a shakeout, but it'll mess our trend up here, which we have started back to the upside with the higher high, higher low, higher high. So far, guys, it's still a higher low, but it's getting close to being a lower low, and then we'll probably rally into a lower high, and then markets really start to get ugly. So let's talk about some levels to watch today. $1.63,800, that's right here. $1.49,800, $36,200. That, hey, you never know how ugly it's going to get here in the market. So keep things in check. $1.0246. That's way down here. And then if we rally, guys, we can keep an eye on some fib levels, which would be $1.83 at the 0.05, $1.95 at the 618 fib. The 786 is at 213. The highs of this move at 239, and then we have mine up there at a 243, 245, 253. So that's going to really give you a wide range here of levels to watch. But right now, what's happening? $1.63,800 support. Let me show you the 3-minute time frame on what that looks like here as the market's pulled back to it. You can see how close we got and pushed up. Just what you want to see with lower levels is you want to see the price get to that level. It will dip below. Sometimes it doesn't even quite get there. It's usually right around that level, and you'll get a reaction in the opposite way, which for this one, since it was a downside target, we're looking for a reaction higher. Markets are rolling over once again. So we'll see, guys. This could be ugly so far. It's pretty ugly here this morning. Drop over to Bitcoin. Where is my Bitcoin? There it is. So Bitcoin, the level we're watching today is 66.32 as support. That's this purple line on the chart, guys. 66.32. We're looking for support there. In a perfect world, we close above that, and then these markets should actually move higher. We'll see how long that lasts, but at least over the next couple days. We'll see, though, if support holds at 66.32. Below that, 64.375, 64.123, and trouble starts to really brew. If we start to get down to that 62,206 level that's down here, that would put the price down about another 6%. So we'll see. This could just be nothing but a pullback. Could still be a higher low. And then, maybe we rally from here. We did take out some recent lows, which is a thing of concern. But if we can find support here and start to move higher, we might be able to get this rally back in place. But so far, we have a double top. This cup with handles getting a little bit deep here. We got some resistance up here at 71, 335. We did have support at 68, 748, which is broken today. Unless we get a big candle wick here and close above it. So far, that's also resistance. So take a screenshot so you have these levels on your chart. Keep things in check, guys. Don't let, my opinion, don't let your market gains turn into losses. Have a set of rules that works for you, not financial advice, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.